Hi, this is Vicki with Dinky Baby. Today we're going to talk about how to make a perfect face. I know all of you have been emailing me with questions on how do you get the eyes in the right proportion, or how do you draw them on so they both look the same. Well, we have solved that problem with a new product called Sticky Fabri-Solvi and Perfect Faces. What we have done is we have copied the faces onto the Sticky Fabri-Solvi, and they'll look like this. We have one for each pattern that you purchase, and any pattern purchased beginning of this year in January would come with the perfect face. Instructions on how to use that is included with every pattern. It's quite simple to use. As you can see, this one has a little baby detailed eyes, and these are the actual detailed eyes for a more detailed face. Very simple to use. When you sew your face together, it will look like this. You stuff it, and before you start embroidering, you add the Sticky Fabri-Solvi. And to do that, you take your Fabri-Solvi, cut it out along the dotted lines, attach it to your face like this, finger press it. The warmth of your hand will finger press it right to the face. Make sure that you have the mouth up high enough so that when you do the sculpting, your mouth won't be in your neck area. But finger press that into place. Continue embroidering your face as per the pattern instructions. Once you have your face completely embroidered, remove part of the stuffing. Rinse the Fabri-Solvi off the doll's head with hot water. Squeeze the excess moisture out with a towel. Place the head either in a dryer or let it air dry, and restuff and continue with the sculpting. That's how simple and easy it is to use. Now, as I said before, all the patterns do come with a Sticky Solvi, so you'll have the perfect face. But if you have faces that you want to make yourself, we do sell it on the website. It's called Sticky Fabri-Solvi. It comes in a package of 12. These go through your printer and make excellent faces. So it's a perfect way to get a perfect face every single time. You can find this on dinkybaby.com under Fabric and Accessories. Again, that's dinkybaby.com, Fabric and Accessories. Visit our website, and make sure you also visit our Amazon and Etsy stores, where we are adding new kits and fun new projects daily. Hope you have fun making Dinky Babies, and remember, the more you make, the better you get. See you next time. Bye-bye.